I have my two special helpers here. Ow. Oh, dude, I don't know about this. That's epic, dude.
Oh. I'm going to the finish!
My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, we're gonna do the floor is coronavirus. I have my two successful special helpers here. This is Blue and this is Ollie. You guys ready? Great. So we have no idea how we're gonna do this or what we're gonna do, but we just decided we're gonna set up a course. And then Mogely's here with some people from Bakersfield, and if you've ever been to Bakersfield, you know what I mean. Should we just make literally the world's hardest, scariest, most deadliest course? Okay. Do I have to do it? No, I don't. I'm just here in the corona. Oh, dude. Now that you said that, I don't know. Now I'm getting scared. Oops, sorry. Not only that, but I basically have to set it up by myself. I'm just kidding. I'm not alone. I got you guys. The only thing that's still keeping me going. Ollie and Blue. Yeah, buddy. You're not making it any lighter, dude. Get down. Come on. So smart, these dogs are so smart. Okay, watch yourself though, because this might get actually dangerous. Oh no, what's a big football? What's this? You ready? Go long. Safely away. Ow. Oh wow, that was really not good. Woo, child. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? It's kind of deadly, right? Wow. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, dude, I don't know about this. You know how much wax is on there? Boom, boom. But then how are they gonna get up there? Maybe we start up there, go that way, that way, that way, that way, and then over here, and then we get to here, and then we make another kind of one going that way. It's just kind of a circle. You guys in for that? Are you down? How do you move this thing? The Braille house is basically like Skate 3 editor. You know what I mean? Build your own skateboard. Say, when did you get so strong, Dad? Well, I don't even know myself. I think I'm gonna pass out. For real, dude? Dude, and then go to the downhill mani pad. That's epic, dude. All right, you ready? Blue, look what I got. Oh no, it went up there. It's up there, it's over there. Floor is lava complete. Oh, this is the toughest you make it. What video are we even doing? Is this gonna break? Ouch. Stick a board under there. Solid, right? Okay, either they can go down, down, down here, and then just cut from here and go across, and then down that way? Man, so many choices. I mean, I feel like that's kind of good. Get Bakersfield to go crazy. Well, I think that's a pretty good course, to be honest. Okay, dude, I haven't skated in a minute. No, I'm out, dude. I'm out. Okay. I was also trying to make a course that you didn't have to, you know, like do anything like this, even though those can be fun. People don't like that. So this one's straight skate. This one is straight skateboarding. But I'm not sure I can just go all three of these in one row. I'm not Keith Huffnagel, guys. I also think that this right here is breaking. Dude, have you ever seen that TV show, The Deadliest Catch? I could do that, right? No, people are gonna be hating on me. Come here, boys. Come here, Ollie. Come here, Blue. Come here, buddy. You wanna do the obstacle course? Come on. Come here, up here. Up here. Yep, good. Over here. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Come on, right here. Get it running, come on. I will give you 20 treats if you jump this right here. He's like, 20 treats, dude, give me 30. Come on. Oh, but no cigarritos. You wanna give it another shot? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Good run. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? This is gonna move and I'm gonna die. I gotta like at least warm up. Don't judge me. We'll probably cut this out of the video. You know what I'm most scared of is that thing in the middle with all the wax. I think maybe if it's too easy, we'll do something like no push. When these wild stallions go, we'll just throw some rails and quarter pipes. Ow! Ow! It got me! It's got me! What do I do? There's an excessive amount of wax on that. You notice what happened? I landed and my wheels just went boop. Okay. Come on, boys. You cannot sit right there. It's in your head now at this point. Right here for Bakersfield! Still on it. My dogs. Come here, how did I do? How did I do? Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I get it? All right, you got that, Mowgli?
I'm afraid that the dog's gonna chase me.
You ready? We gotta get Mowgli. We gotta mess him up off his game. You gotta go down here, cross there, go across, and then come back here. Buddy! Maybe it is the hardest course. We got the added distraction.
So much is going through my mind.
So it's not the easiest course we've ever made. You got it. We believe in you.
I keep looking around, see if I'm gonna get a tap.
This girl is on fire! Well done. Can you give the man a hand? He just did the course. Bakersfield, mount up.
This is Jason.
J Films, that's why I go by. Maybe Jason.
This is Ivan.
Yo.
And my other friend's in the restroom, Jeremy. You want to see who goes first? Oh, shoot.
Get him, get him.
I tried to change it up. got scared. I saw him come at me and I was like, oh. Ow! Got my underwear. Dude, I still got my underwear like a wedgie.
Whatever it takes.
Cheater, you cheater. Come on, let's go. Good boy, good boy. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need to get started. Let's go.